I have something here, something made up here. I built this dresser that I never did before. So good, look at that. I already made the base. So good luck to me. Good luck. Okay, there you go. Habang nagpa-practice yung isa dun sa taas, is practicing.
Hello.
Oh, dali. Ha? Say hello.
Hello. Let's practice singing.
Just practice singing. There you go. Meron pa akong background music, oh.
Dishes, now patience and do the bad with my
Next is
hello, business
B16. B16.
I think I know the lyrics.
Yeah, you should. Yan, ito. Ang laki ng silbi talaga. Look. I'm trying. This one is. O, diba? This is my hammer. My improvised hammer. What's the purpose? This. Now I built something here. Hey. Practice si baby. He's practicing. Need this again. In here. Another one. What do you call this, salad? What do you call this po?
I call it a wad.
Rod. Mas lang. Rod. Rodeline. Rod.
You can call it a metal wad.
Metal rod. Oh my god. It's not easy.
Oh, I call it a pipe too.
Pipe.
A pipe and a metal wad and a wad.
Oh my god. What happened here?
Excuse me.
Just a second. All good. Then, my improvised hammer. The last piece of this.
Oh.
Okay. I'm doing a good job here.
Excuse me. Can you give me the charger over there?
Charger over there.
Yes.
Charger, what would you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Malabo pa mata ko. Nakasalamin na. Say, shout out. Shout out to Lala Bongga.
Shout out to Lala
Say,
Bonga.
Lala Bongga.
Lala Bonga.
Lala Chichi.
Lala Chichi and Lala Rosa.
And Mama's Press.
Mama is stressed.
Papaboyet. Papaboyet. Magpapaboyet.
Papa Pupo.
Boyet.
Papa Boye.
Tambay-tambay.
Tambay-tambay, Ninang.
Okay, tambay-tambay.
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 Puppy.
You know. Yay! Konti na lang. Yeah, almost. Yay!
Laging almost.
Madami ba? Hindi. Konti na lang. Kaya natin yan.
May saksakan dito.
Huwag na akong matapos hanggang bukas. This is C16. C16. I need two of this. Let's make sure. Pumili ng SIM card kasi ang sister ko, ang SIM card ko ay tinapon niya. SIM card ng Canada. Ang nadala kong SIM card ng Pilipinas. Kaya pala, nagte-text yung gomo. Welcome to Taipei! Sabi ng Canada, welcome to Canada! Para SIM card ng Pilipinas yung nabitbit ko. Aloka itong sister bongga ko eh. Bongga talaga. Here, the other one. And this is another piece. Then I'll put them all together. And voila! Yay! Mga anak ko lang gumagawa nito. Pero ngayon, ha? Okay. I have to do it by myself. Suot ko tong gloves kasi nga masakit sa kamay. I'm trying to top the metal rod. But I found this. Gusto bumuo lang ng cabinet. Ayan na, nakakabuo na ako ng second piece. Yay! What an achievement! Achievement? Achievement yan. Take a look, my labo. Aba.
Wow, I love it.
Stop. My improvised hammer. Yay! I'm now on the second piece. On the second level. Oh, sorry. There you go. Oh my God. May mali ako. Walang hole yung iba. Ito, walang hole. And this one too. Ay, Melin. Ano ba yan? May mali. I did something wrong here. May mali ang lola nyo. Excited kasi. Hindi nagpabasa. Salamin na nga. I had to remove this again. It's bagay. It's my first time. There you go. Now, it's more better. Hey! I'm done on the second level. Going to third. Magbi-break muna ang lola. Ano muna tayo? Maggi-green tea. There you go. School ito.
Anyways.
Ito na. Almost. May batang naglalaro dun. Yun. Improvised hammer. Konti na lang. Lapit na. Almost done. Down here. Ito na. Huh?
I love it, but
Thank you.
You did so incredible.
Oh, incredible. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You're motivating, Lala. Thank you. What a support.
Also the best grandma.
Best grandma?
Yeah.
Oh, you're the best apo.
Lala,
Nagbulahan pa kami. Nagbubuo lang ng dress.
Lala.
I'm gonna work hard on this? Yes.
Mommy, but are
Working
you...
hard. You're gonna pay me? You're gonna pay me?
I give you all my piggy bank there.
Oh my piggy bank. So we can travel to the Philippines again, ano? Together na, together. Gonna be tired after this?
Yeah.
No, I'm not.
Oh, wait.
I'll never get tired.
Oh, finally, a person who's not tired because I want to play with you.
Oh, later.
But baby, I know, but I know after,
Dal-dal?
I know after you will play with me. I'm just gonna be patient.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna walk.
Okay.
I'm just walk. And
Doing a great job.
Papa.
Aba, bait naman ako ko. Nag-appreciate. Diba? Pag may tiyaga, may cabinet. Ayun na, almost na. Ayun na, konti na lang. Nawawala yung isa. Dito na sa ilalim. Ayun, dalawa. Tatlo. Ulit. Kita ko na. Now on the top. Almost. Na, the final.
Nakasama ni Manaar si Malapit taong 2015 sa Police Training Center sa Cordillera Administrative Region bilang Regional Training Director. Para sa kanya, isa si Malapit sa mga warang alagad ng batas.
I have to go on top. There we go.
Sa loob ng mahigit 3 taon nilang samahan sa training center, dito na patunayan ni Manaar ang dedikasyon ni Malapit.
Wait.
Feeling passionate siya sa mga Manaar, hindi siya nawalan ng kabaro. Nawalan rin siya ng kaibigan malinis ng buhay sa gitna ng kanyang sinumpang. Jessie Pusa, ABS-CBN News. Nanawagan ang ilang grupo ng mga negosyante na pag-usapan munang matuli ang panukalang dalawa na
Wow. Yay! Khaled, look. Khaled, look what I did.
it's so cool. I
Yay!
love it. It's so cool. I love it. You did the best.
Malalagay ko na lahat ng mga gamit ko dito.
Parang pag-iig.
Hindi, ayos lang. Yung mga kalat ko. Yay! High five, my love. High five.
Wait, high 10.
High 10. How can I do that?
You just pretend that is a high 10.
Okay, high 10.
High 10.
Ito, this one. High five. 10. There you go. Nabuo din. Good job, Milen. Good job.